Welcome back. Now, when you're setting up a sales funnel inside of an affiliate network, you do need to feed that affiliate network some information. In the Warrior Plus network, we need to feed the information to the pages where we want the customer to be sent. In Warrior Plus, there is a page setup area for each individual product inside of a funnel. Now, these pages are going to be offer specific and funnel specific. You can offer the same product in a different offer and a different funnel. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to click the page setup area and we need to place a page here where the customer is going to be sent. That is how the network knows where to send the individual when they click a specific link. If you have an affiliate and the affiliate clicks a specific link, the network then knows to send the individual to this page that we have set up as the sales page URL. And we need to do this for each product inside of our offer. So you'll notice here, we go to this product, there's a page setup area. We're going to place a sales page URL here in this area. You're going to notice for the downsell, there's a page setup area. We're going to set the sales page URL for this area. So basically, we have to feed the affiliate network information so that it knows where the customer needs to go when they make a purchase of a specific offer. And this is something that you are going to have to do regardless of which network you use or which platform you use for your sales funnel. And it's on each of these individual pages where we will place the buy button code that will determine the order of the funnel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.